Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video I'll be talking about the software developer internship role that's opened up at IBM. So this will be an on-site internship. This can be at Hyderabad or Bangalore, and as a software developer intern, they expect you to have a bachelor's degree. So the bachelor's degree is the only required and preferred education degree that they want you to have to be able to apply for this role. Now, as you'll be working as an intern, you should be knowing what your roles and responsibilities will be so that you can develop the necessary skills. So, as an intern, you will be generating data processing platforms, right? You should be having experience and interest in all areas of application development, be it design, be it coding, CI/CD pipelines, unit testing. So you will also have the opportunity to go through these each and every aspect of development. So it is a very useful opportunity for freshers. If you're unaware of any new technology that you will be required for platform development, you should have the ability to self-learn it. You should be well aware of object-oriented design principles and have thorough knowledge and expertise in at least one programming language, be it Java or Python or any one programming language. You should be having expertise in. If it's more than one, well and good, but one is required. You should have some experience in working with X unit testing, comfortable working with mocks and stubs. So these things basically we generally don't work with when we are doing our college projects, because if we do full stack, we completely do the back end and we utilize it in the front end. Or if you guys are front end developers, then well and good. You might have worked with mocks and stubs, but the thing is, you should be having that dynamism to actually get molded and learn whatever they are teaching you. So you should be able to be comfortable with mocks and stubs in a short period of time. Definitely have a thorough knowledge of data structures and algorithms. That will also be required for your hiring process. Know your OS concepts very well, know your concurrent programming, multi-thread processes, and so on. And definitely you should be able to work in a team environment. That is a requirement in every team. So these are the aspects or the areas that you need to have expertise in when you're getting into the internship role at IBM. Yes. So moving on to the hiring process that IBM generally follows. So you will be having an initial coding assessment, which will happen for 1 hour on an online coding platform. So this will be having two coding questions, easy to medium level, maybe array, string based, maybe something else. Moving on, after you get shortlisted from your first round, you'll have to sit for a technical interview round. In this round, you will have to share your screen to your interviewer and keep your camera on at all times. And this interview will happen for over an hour. It can be 1 hour 15 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. There will be coding questions that will be asked, but again, easy level questions. So you might be asked to implement a stack from scratch. You might be asked to implement test cases that will be given by them, and you'll have to implement them in such a way that all the corner cases are included in your solution. You'll be asked very basic computer science core fundamental questions like how recursion works, what you understand about recursion, what's the difference between heap and stack, how is memory allocated in runtime, how to merge two unsorted vectors, how to check whether a linked list is circular. So these are very basic questions. If you're just out of college, They should be fresh in your mind. They'll ask some open-ended questions like asset properties in DBMS, aggregate functions in SQL, OOPS concepts, SQL injection, SQL versus no SQL. You can go through the PYQs. It will be available in platforms like Geeks for Geeks. So once you get through the second round, you will have to sit for a technical plus HR round. There will be 2 interviewers here, and it will be a round of 25 minutes where you will have to discuss about some of the projects that you've made. So make sure you go through it. Go through the tech stacks that you've used, why you've used them. Go through when you're explaining your projects, don't go through the technicalities, because you've already had the technical interview. They know that you're technically sound to be able to come to the HR round. So go through the features and discuss the features in such a way as if you're explaining them to your client. So that's how you should discuss your projects. You will be asked some puzzle based questions. Some coding questions again might be asked in this round, and some questions on some tech stacks that they have not tested you on but you've mentioned in your resume. So and of course you'll be asked questions about your stipend, about what you plan to do after your graduation, and about whether you plan to relocate or not, because this is an on-site internship in Hyderabad or Bangalore. You will have to relocate if you don't stay in these two cities. So definitely say yes, you don't have a problem with these things. These things you should be knowing. I think it's a common thing. You should never say that yes, I will stay in my home place or so on. You should always be able to move wherever the job requires you to. So these are the rounds that you'll have to sit for to get into the software developer internship role at IBM. Go ahead, apply before the link expires. I've attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply, and if you are liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on jobs and internship openings, especially for college students who are on the lookout for this. So please subscribe to my channel, and hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.